As a photography lover, I'm really looking forward to this year's Ultra series phones from different brands. They no longer look the same, each has its own unique features, and Oppo's Ultra camera phone stands out the most. This year's Find X8 Ultra changes the game by focusing on thinness as its main selling point. It's the most phone-like flagship camera phone among others. So, can being thin help Oppo win the camera phone battle? The market tells us it might just work. Don't forget, for those who want to enjoy the Find X8 Ultra in advance, Geek Wheels can ship it from China to your home. Use the coupon code before April 20th to save $50. If you want to have it right now, click the link below the video. When I first held the Find X8 Ultra at the store, I feel like they gave me the wrong phone. Is this a Pro model? How did they make a flagship camera phone so thin? The whole device is under 8.8mm thick, by the way. The camera module still sticks out a bit, but it's impressively slim for an Ultra model. The curved edges on the back makes it comfortable to hold. The grip definitely deserves a thumbs up. Sadly, the Ultra version ditches the vegan leather options. All three color options use glass backs with a frosted finish, no patents. The frame also has this frosted texture. While minimalism has its charm, it loses the premium feel from the Find X8 Ultra's leather version, and heavier in weight as a result. Following iPhone's lead, Oppo replaces the alert slider with an action button on the Find X8 Ultra, working exactly like iPhone 16's. The camera control button stays, but is towards the middle place of the frame, makes it hard to use as a shutter. It uses pressure-sensitive touch with a vibrative feedback. Speaking of this, the X8 Ultra's motor got upgraded. While not iPhone level, it is still top tier among Android phones. Find X7 Ultra users must know how bad their phone's battery life is, so Oppo stuffed the X8 Ultra with a 6100 mAh battery, should finally fix that weakness. Charging speed stays the same, but with a 100-watt peak power, nobody will complain about slow charging. You've probably noticed the Find X8 Ultra now has a flat screen. Fans of flat displays should be happy about that, because flagship camera phones with flat screens are rare. The bezels look almost equally thin, though not as narrow as the X8 is. The fingerprint scanner is an ultrasonic one. Its position makes more sense than other Find X8 models. During my hands-on time, the screen performed like a true flagship. No complaint here. Another key difference from other Find X8 phones, Snapdragon 8 Elite. This might mean higher prices, and performance is not necessarily better than Dimensity 9400 Plus either. But there's one clear advantage. Qualcomm's ISP works better for Oppo, meaning theoretically better camera performance than its siblings. Here are the Find X8 Ultra's camera specs. Compared to the X7 Ultra, there are three main changes. Both telephoto cameras got larger apertures, a new multi-spectral camera was added, and the ultra-wide camera got downgraded again. Why did I say again? Anyway, portrait photography fans should pay attention. Oppo made a big improvement to portrait mode. With the new multi-spectral camera, portrait performance reaches a new height in smartphone photography. The ultra-wide downgrade is disappointing, but my quick test shows it's still acceptable. The main camera looks the same as before. Of course, whether this camera system is truly good or bad, we will give you the final answer after we actually buy and test it. ColorOS 15 this time also has updates, with it focused on strengthening the AI-related features. For example, the AI assistant has a DeepSeek integrated, and there's an AI OCR paired with the action button. You can press one button to recognize the content on the screen, record them as text in a dedicated app, and automatically characterize it. It feels like your phone has its own cyber memory. Of course, if you purchase the global version of Find X8 Ultra, these features will not work for you at all. Therefore, you have one more reason to purchase the Chinese version. So don't forget, Geek Wheels can help you get the Chinese version with an additional $50 discount. The Find X8 Ultra doesn't just resemble the iPhone. I see little hints of a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra too. Both have flat screens, similar rounded corners, and ultra-thin profiles. Since the standard Find X8 sells well in China, mimicking iPhone and Samsung designs clearly works for Oppo. For consumers, well, getting iPhone-like phones cheaper isn't necessarily bad. It's a win-win. With the US tariff wars potentially making the iPhones unaffordable, Oppo could become the big winner in the future. Alright, that's all for this video. Our channel will drop tons of new phone content in April. Subscribe and thumbs up will really help us. We're from China. See you really soon.